Hello, my name is Gerardo Andrade, and in this video, we're going to discover how to link our Prophet 21 ecosystem with Automation Studio. This tool will provide accessibility to connect with different external applications, as well as to carry out processes outside the Prophet 21 environment. The first step to connect Prophet 21 with Automation Studio is to register the Prophet 21 instance. In this case, we need to go to integrationepicor.com, where we will be asked to log in. As we can see, I'm already authenticated. An important factor to consider before making the connection with our Prophet 21 environment is that we need to have a on-prem groups. Since our environment is on-prem, we'll go to the Automation Studio on-prem group section under Tools. Here we'll see the on-prem groups we've already configured. We'll select one that was already active. And here, we can review the connections, as well as the agents that are being used. To create a new agent, simply click on Add Agent, and then enter the values requested to be able to connect it. Once this is done, we can establish the connections to our Prophet 21 environment and link Automation Studio with the tools available in our ecosystem. After the agent is configured, it will take us to the next screen to make the connection. Now we need to select Identity Provider, click on Login, and enter the credentials. After entering them, we'll be redirected to the screen to create the new connection. We'll search for Prophet 21. Assign a project, select our on-pre group, and here we'll specify the location of our server. Next, we enter a username and password that can log into Prophet 21 and click on Connect with those credentials. We now have our Prophet 21 server environment connected to the Automation Studio instance. With this connection, we can use it for our Prophet 21 processes through Automation Studio. I hope this video was helpful. See you next time.